NLN NEX Word Knowledge.
Question 1. During GED word problems practice, which sentence uses evidence best? Option A. The article states that graduation rates rose by 8%. Option B. Everyone knows the result. Option C. It seems true to me. Option D. The answer is probably obvious. The correct answer is option A. The article states that graduation rates rose by 8%. The first sentence gives a specific evidence-based detail. The other choices rely on assumption, opinion, or vague wording. Evidence should be clear and verifiable. Question 2. For GED word problems practice, which number is the mode of 4, 6, 6, 7, 9? Option A 6. Option B 7. Option C 9. Option D 4.
The correct answer is option A. The student reviewed carefully.
The mode is the value that appears most often, which is 6. The other numbers appear only once. Frequency is the key to finding the mode. Question 3. In GED word problems practice, which force pulls objects toward Earth? Option A magnetism. Option B static electricity. Option C gravity. Option D friction.
The correct answer is option C. Oxygen.
Gravity pulls objects toward Earth. Friction resists motion, magnetism acts between magnetic materials, and static electricity involves electric charges. The downward pull clue identifies gravity. Question 4. On GED word problems practice, which idea is protected by checks and balances? Option A states have no role. Option B. No branch has unlimited power. Option C. One branch controls all laws. Option D courts write every law. The correct answer is option B. No branch has unlimited power. Checks and balances prevent any one branch from gaining unlimited power. The other choices concentrate power or misrepresent the system. U.S. civics questions often ask about separation of powers. Question 5. Before GED word problems practice, which value is the perimeter of a square with side 6? Option A 12. Option B 18. Option C 24. Option D 36.
The correct answer is option A. Help.
A square has 4 equal sides, so the perimeter is 4 times 6 equals 24. 12 uses only 2 sides, 18 uses 3 sides, and 36 is the area. Perimeter measures distance around a shape. Question 6. After GED word problems practice, which sentence has a misplaced modifier? Option A. He ran down the street with a backpack. Option B. The backpack was on his shoulders. Option C. He carried the backpack carefully. Option D. Running down the street, the backpack bounced on him. The correct answer is option D. Running down the street, the backpack bounced on him. The first sentence makes it sound as if the backpack is running. The other sentences clearly show that the person is doing the action. Modifiers should be placed near the words they describe. Question 7. While GED word problems practice, which substance is made of atoms bonded together? Option A variable. Option B government. Option C compound. Option D opinion.
The correct answer is option C. 9.
A compound is made of 2 or more elements chemically bonded. Opinion, variable, and government are not chemical substance types. Bonding is the science clue. Question 8. Given GED word problems practice, which point is on the y-axis? Option A, 4, 4. Option B, 0, 5. Option C, 5, 0. Option D, 3, 2. The correct answer is option B. 0, 5. A point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0, so 0, 5 fits. The point 5, 0 is on the x-axis, and the other points are away from both axes. Coordinate rules make this direct. Question 9. When get word problems practice, which phrase identifies author bias? Option A, loaded language. Option B, neutral data. Option C, balanced evidence. Option D, exact citation.
The correct answer is option A. Bladder.
Loaded language can reveal bias because it pushes emotion or opinion. Neutral data, balanced evidence, and exact citation usually strengthen reliability. Bias often appears in word choice. Question 10. If get word problems practice, which number is 7 less than 20? Option A, 17. Option B, 27. Option C, 140. Option D, 13.
The correct answer is option D. 6.
7 less than 20 means 27 equals 13. 17 subtracts only 3, 27 adds 7, and 140 multiplies. The phrase less than signals subtraction. Question 11. During get word problems practice, which weathering process breaks rocks by freezing water? Option A, evaporation. Option B, pollination. Option C, ice wedging. Option D, photosynthesis.
The correct answer is option C, is.
Ice wedging happens when water freezes, expands, and cracks rock. Photosynthesis makes glucose, evaporation changes liquid to gas, and pollination helps plants reproduce. Freezing water is the key clue. Question 12. For get word problems practice, which government system lets citizens vote for representatives? Option A, oligarchy. Option B, representative democracy. Option C, absolute monarchy. Option D, dictatorship. The correct answer is option B. Representative democracy. A representative democracy lets citizens choose people to make decisions for them. An absolute monarchy concentrates power in a monarch, dictatorship in one ruler, and oligarchy in a small group. Voting for representatives defines the system. Question 13. In get word problems practice, which word best replaces very big? Option A, enormous. Option B, tiny. Option C, weak. Option D, brief.
The correct answer is option B. 4.
Enormous means very big. Tiny is the opposite, weak refers to strength, and brief refers to length or time. Strong vocabulary improves RLA precision. Question 14. On get word problems practice, which unit measures volume? Option A, meter. Option B, gram. Option C, degree. Option D, liter.
The correct answer is option D. Nervous.
A liter measures volume or capacity. A meter measures length, a gram measures mass, and a degree measures angle or temperature depending on context. The volume clue points to liter. Question 15. Before get word problems practice, which value equals 3x when x equals 7? Option A, 37. Option B, 73. Option C, 10. Option D, 21.
The correct answer is option A. The nurse was prepared.
Substituting 7 for x gives 3 times 7 equals 21. Option A adds 3 and 7, while option C and D place digits together instead of multiplying. Algebra questions often require direct substitution. Question 16. After get word problems practice, how should 0.25 be written as a fraction? Option A, 25 tenths. Option B, 1/4. Option C, 1/2. Option D, 2/5.
The correct answer is option B. 1/2.
0.25 equals 25/100, which simplifies to 1/4. 1/2 equals 0.5, 2/5 equals 0.4, and 25/10 equals 2.5. Simplifying decimals into fractions is a common GED skill. Question 17. While GED word problems practice, which GED subject focuses most on interpreting experiments and data? Option A, Science. Option B, Social Studies. Option C, RLA. Option D, Geometry.
The correct answer is option A. 1, supported by details.
GED Science emphasizes scientific reasoning, data, and experiment interpretation. Social Studies uses historical and civic sources, RLA focuses reading and writing, and Geometry is part of math. The clue is experiments and data. Question 18. Given GED word problems practice, which source would best support a historical claim? Option A, random comment. Option B, cartoon only. Option C, advertisement slogan. Option D, primary document. The correct answer is option D. Primary document. A primary document provides direct evidence from the time or event being studied. A random comment is weak evidence, a cartoon may show opinion, and an advertisement slogan is persuasive rather than neutral. Strong historical answers rely on reliable sources. Question 19. When GED word problems practice, which sentence is complete? Option A. Because the test began. Option B. After the answer. Option C. Although the graph changed. Option D. The author explains the evidence. The correct answer is option D. The author explains the evidence. The author explains the evidence has a subject and a complete verb idea. The other choices are fragments because they begin dependent ideas or lack a full predicate. GED RLA often tests complete sentence structure. Question 20. If GED word problems practice, which number is the median of 2, 5, 9, 10, 14? Option A, 14. Option B, 5. Option C, 9. Option D, 10.
The correct answer is option B, checked.
The median is the middle value when numbers are ordered, which is 9. 5 and 10 are adjacent but not in the middle. 14 is the greatest value, not the median. Question 21. During GED word problems practice, which graph is best for showing change over time? Option A, line graph. Option B, pie chart. Option C, map. Option D, Venn diagram.
The correct answer is option A. Homeostasis.
A line graph is best for trends over time because it shows continuous change. A pie chart shows parts of a whole, a map shows location, and a Venn diagram compares sets. Time trend is the key clue. Question 22. For GED word problems practice, which operation undoes multiplication by 5? Option A, add 5. Option B, subtract 5. Option C, multiply by 10. Option D, divide by 5.
The correct answer is option D. 1:2.
Division is the inverse of multiplication, so dividing by 5 undoes multiplying by 5. Adding or subtracting changes the value in a different way. Multiplying by 10 increases the effect rather than reversing it. Question 23. In GED word problems practice, which word best describes a claim supported by evidence? Option A, decimal. Option B, variable. Option C, argument. Option D, fragment.
The correct answer is option C. The passage explains why sleep supports learning.
An argument in reading and writing is a claim supported by reasons and evidence. A fragment is an incomplete sentence, a decimal is a number form, and a variable represents an unknown. Evidence points to argument structure. Question 24. On Get Word Problems Practice, which branch of government makes laws in the United States? Option A military. Option B legislative. Option C executive. Option D judicial.
The correct answer is option B. Nucleus.
The legislative branch makes laws. The executive branch enforces laws, and the judicial branch interprets laws. The military is not one of the three lawmaking branches. Question 25. Before Get Word Problems Practice, which formula finds the area of a rectangle? Option A length times width. Option B 2 times length plus width. Option C base times height divided by 2. Option D pi r superscript 2.
The correct answer is option A. 0.25.
The area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width. The second choice is not the perimeter formula as written, the third is triangle area, and pi r superscript 2 is circle area. Matching shapes to formulas is essential. Question 26. After Get Word Problems Practice, which conclusion is strongest after reading a data table? Option A. 1 based on a guess. Option B. 1 using no labels. Option C. 1 ignoring units. Option D. 1 supported by the numbers. The correct answer is option D. 1 supported by the numbers. A strong conclusion must be supported by the numbers in the table. Guessing, ignoring labels, or ignoring units can lead to wrong interpretations. Get data questions reward evidence-based reasoning. Question 27. While Get Word Problems Practice, which sentence uses correct subject-verb agreement? Option A. The students are ready. Option B. The student be ready. Option C. The students is ready. Option D. The student are ready.
The correct answer is option C. Cardiovascular. The cardiovascular system transports blood through the heart and vessels. The respiratory system exchanges gases, endocrine glands produce hormones, and the integumentary system includes skin. Blood transport is cardiovascular. Question 28. Given NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which value solves x plus 5 equals 14? Option A 70. Option B 9. Option C 14. Option D 19. The correct answer is option B. 9. Subtracting 5 from both sides gives x equals 9. 14 is the total before isolating x, 19 adds instead of subtracting, and 70 multiplies unrelated numbers. Inverse operations are used to solve equations. Question 29. When NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which detail best defines tone? Option A. The author's attitude. Option B. The page count. Option C. The answer letter. Option D. The publication date only. The correct answer is option A. The author's attitude. Tone is the author's attitude toward the topic or audience. Page count and answer letters are not tone, and publication date alone does not show attitude. Word choice usually reveals tone. Question 30. If NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which organ filters blood and forms urine? Option A heart. Option B lung. Option C spleen. Option D kidney. The correct answer is option D. Kidney. The kidney filters blood and forms urine. The heart pumps blood, the lung exchanges gases, and the spleen helps with immune and blood functions. Filtration and urine identify the kidney. Question 31. During NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which percent equals 0.6? Option A 0.6%. Option B 600%. Option C 60%. Option D 6%. The correct answer is option C. 60%. Multiplying 0.6 by 100 gives 60%. 6% would be 0.06, and 0.6% would be 0.006. 600% is much larger than the original decimal. Question 32. For NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which word means to reduce? Option A, ignore. Option B, decrease. Option C, create. Option D, attach. The correct answer is option B, decrease. Decrease means to reduce or make smaller. Create means make, attach means connect, and ignore means pay no attention. The meaning clue is reduce. Question 33. In NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which metric unit measures mass? Option A, gram. Option B, liter. Option C, meter. Option D, second. The correct answer is option A, gram. A gram measures mass. A liter measures volume, a meter measures length, and a second measures time. Nursing math often requires matching units correctly. Question 34. On NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which part of speech describes a noun? Option A, verb. Option B, preposition. Option C, conjunction. Option D, adjective. The correct answer is option D, adjective. An adjective describes a noun by telling what kind, which one, or how many. Verbs show action or state, prepositions show relationships, and conjunctions connect words or clauses. Description of a noun identifies an adjective. Question 35. Before NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which blood cells help fight infection? Option A, platelets. Option B, plasma only. Option C, white blood cells. Option D, red blood cells. The correct answer is option C, white blood cells. White blood cells help defend the body against infection. Red blood cells carry oxygen, platelets help clotting, and plasma is the liquid portion of blood. Infection defense points to white blood cells. Question 36. After NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which number is the product of 8 and 7? Option A, 87. Option B, 56. Option C, 15. Option D, 1. The correct answer is option B, 56. Product means the result of multiplication, so 8 times 7 equals 56. 15 is the sum, 1 is the difference if subtracting 7 from 8, and 87 joins digits. Math vocabulary matters. Question 37. While NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which word best completes the patient and the nurse blank ready? Option A, are. Option B, is. Option C, was. Option D, be. The correct answer is option A, are. A compound subject joined by and usually takes the plural verb are. Is and was are singular forms, and be does not fit standard agreement here. The two-person subject is plural. Question 38. Given NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which body system breaks down food? Option A, nervous. Option B, skeletal. Option C, urinary. Option D, digestive. The correct answer is option D, digestive. The digestive system breaks down food and absorbs nutrients. The nervous system sends signals, skeletal system supports the body, and urinary system removes liquid waste. Food breakdown is digestion. Question 39. When NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which fraction is larger than 1/2? Option A, 2/5. Option B, 3/8. Option C, 3/4. Option D, 1/4. The correct answer is option C, 3/4. 3/4 equals 0.75, which is larger than 0.5. 1/4, 2/5, and 3/8 are all less than 1/2. Comparing fractions is easier with decimals or common denominators. Question 40. If NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which word means careful and exact? Option A careless. Option B precise. Option C vague. Option D random. The correct answer is option B. Precise. Precise means careful and exact. Vague means unclear, random means without pattern, and careless means not careful. The clue uses nearly the same definition as precise. Question 41. During NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which organ produces bile? Option A liver. Option B pancreas. Option C lung. Option D bladder. The correct answer is option A. Liver. The liver produces bile, which helps with fat digestion. The pancreas makes enzymes and hormones, lungs exchange gases, and the bladder stores urine. Bile production identifies the liver. Question 42. For NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which number is 1.5 plus 2.25? Option A 2.40. Option B 3.25. Option C 4.75. Option D 3.75. The correct answer is option D. 3.75. Adding 1.50 and 2.25 gives 3.75. Option B is too low, option C misses 5/10, and option D is 1 too high. Aligning decimal places prevents errors. Question 43. In NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which reading strategy helps locate a detail quickly? Option A ignore headings. Option B read only choices. Option C scan for keywords. Option D memorize every word. The correct answer is option C. Scan for keywords. Scanning for keywords helps find specific details quickly. Memorizing every word is inefficient, ignoring headings removes useful clues, and reading only choices may miss the passage evidence. Details require targeted reading. Question 44. On NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which process moves water across a membrane? Option A ventilation. Option B osmosis. Option C mitosis. Option D digestion. The correct answer is option B. Osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water across a selectively permeable membrane. Mitosis is cell division, digestion breaks food down, and ventilation moves air. Membrane water movement is the key phrase. Question 45. Before NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which value is 3/5 as a percent? Option A 60%. Option B 35%. Option C 30%. Option D 15%. The correct answer is option A. 60%. 3/5 equals 0.6, which is 60%. 35% uses the digits, 30% is too low, and 15% is unrelated. Dividing numerator by denominator gives the decimal. Question 46. After NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which word is a synonym for brief? Option A long. Option B loud. Option C heavy. Option D short. The correct answer is option D. Short. Brief means short in time or length. Long is the opposite, loud refers to sound, and heavy refers to weight. Synonym items test close meaning. Question 47. While NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which structure connects bone to bone? Option A neuron. Option B alveolus. Option C ligament. Option D tendon. The correct answer is option C. Ligament. A ligament connects bone to bone. A tendon connects muscle to bone, a neuron carries nerve signals, and an alveolus is a lung air sac. The bone-to-bone clue identifies ligament. Question 48. Given NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which number rounds 46.8 to the nearest whole number? Option A 50. Option B 47. Option C 46. Option D 40. The correct answer is option B 47. Because the tenths digit is 8, 46.8 rounds up to 47. 46 ignores the rounding rule, and 40 or 50 round to different place values. The nearest whole number is 47. Question 49. When NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which sentence uses a comma correctly? Option A. After the review, she took a practice test. Option B. After the review she took a practice test. Option C. After the review she took a practice test. Option D. After the review she took a practice test. The correct answer is option A. After the review, she took a practice test. A comma correctly follows the introductory phrase after the review. The other choices place the comma where it interrupts the sentence unnaturally. Introductory elements often need a comma. Question 50. If NLN NEX Word Knowledge, which hormone helps regulate blood glucose? Option A melatonin. Option B adrenaline only. Option C thyroxine only. Option D insulin. The correct answer is option D. Insulin. Insulin helps regulate blood glucose by promoting glucose uptake into cells. Melatonin relates to sleep cycles, adrenaline is linked to stress response, and thyroxine affects metabolism. Blood glucose is the insulin clue.